In a global MNC, innovation met teamwork when humans and AI began working together. Emma, a seasoned finance analyst, was initially unsure about Aiden, the new AI assistant. But as deadlines approached and pressure rose, Aiden proved invaluable, processing data, identifying patterns, and catching errors within seconds. Emma, with her sharp business acumen, guided Aiden to understand the why behind the numbers. Together, they streamlined reporting, saved hours of manual work, and delivered insights that impressed senior leadership. What once seemed like a threat became a trusted teammate. Emma realized that AI wasn't here to replace her, but to elevate her skills and impact. Her story inspired others across the company, showing that when humans bring creativity and judgment, and AI brings speed and precision, the results are powerful. In this new era, success wasn't about man versus machine, but about moving forward, together,